Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Tonight we are checking out our favorite knife sets on Amazon. You guys, this is from Cuisine Pro. It is their Damashiro 9-piece Nami knife block set. You guys, so you get 9 different knives, everything that you need. All of the chef's knives, the paring knives, all of them. They're amazing. These are going to be super high quality. It is Japanese steel and it has been ice hardened. Finest of the finest. It's going to have a Rockwell hardness rating of 53 plus. These are going to be lifetime knives, you guys. They last a lifetime. Cuisine Pro is going to give you that lifetime warranty. These are going to stay sharp. They are made with a tapered edge, so they are going to be crazy sharp. They're gonna stay that way. The steel is so high quality, you're not gonna have to worry about corrosion or rust or anything like that. These are just gorgeous. They are gorgeous to display. They are going to elevate your cooking. These are amazing for any aspiring chef. These are amazing for any just home cook. They are amazing to give as a gift, especially, at a wedding registry or something, because they are one of those lifetime things that you can give someone and you know that it's going to last for a lifetime. Not only that, they're beautiful. This handle, you guys, is designed, it's like the traditional way that Japanese samurai swords has that same Damascus edge. They're gorgeous, they're functional, they are well balanced, they feel great in your hands, and they are just some of the best knives that you can get. If you're interested, you should definitely try them out. Again, they are backed by a lifetime warranty. You can't get any better than that. You can't feel any more confident buying something than if it has a lifetime warranty. So go ahead, put this in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.